Hello everyone, this is me Shine Beauty here. So today I will show you how to make orange peel powder at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need the peels of 2 to 3 oranges. Pierce the peels into small pieces and wash them. Put the orange peels out in the sun for about 4 to 5 days or until they are dry completely. We all know that orange peels have vitamin C and other antioxidants property. Once the peels get completely dry, they will look like this. Now you have to put that dried peels in the grinder and grind them 5 to 6 minutes at high speed to make a fine powder. That's it. Orange peel powder is ready. Orange peel powder control acne, cleanse and open up closed pores, treat blackheads, reduce oilliness and add a glow to the skin. You can store this powder in a airtight container for 2 to 3 months. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe.